How to convert low-quality video to full 1080 HD. If you want to know more about this vlog, then keep on watching. And, if you haven't subscribed yet, please consider to subscribe and hit the notification bell all, to keep you updated with my upcoming vlogs. Welcome to Hairstyle Tutorials Music and Vlogs. Only here in JhaJha and Mom's Vlog, created by Rona. So hello guys, first, let's try it to this video. As you can see the video status, it was a little bit blurry, so we are going to convert this video to 1080 HD quality. First, just click the setting icon of the video, on its top upper right. Then, choose the quality section. After that, choose Advance. And finally set it to 1080 HD. So that's all guys, let's try to play the video again. And while playing this video, it was finally cleared and set it on its full HD, which is 1080 HD quality. So if you find this video helpful, then please comment down below for your suggestions, like and share to this video, and don't forget to subscribe, and hit the notification bell all, to get you updated on my next upload. Shout out to the following commentators. Thank you for supporting. See you in my next vlog. Bye bye. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.